Hello guys, welcome back to Techdose, and in this video we will see some of the techniques which can be used to count the number of digits in your decimal number. I would like to announce about our live training programs, data structures and algorithms, which is interview dose, and system design, which is design dose. If you are looking for making a switch from service to product based, or even make a product based to product based top tier switch and aiming for your dream company, this is the best curriculum you can ever join. I'll be your mentor throughout the cohort and I will help you clear all your doubts in the one-on-one sessions. You can know more about this by querying us on the WhatsApp number, or you can also visit our website techdose.co.in. Now let us look at the first technique. The first technique is about given an integer number which is in decimal number system. We have to count the number of digits, and what you can do is you can remove one digit at a time. Let's say you have 325. If you want to remove the least significant digit, you can just divide it by 10 and it will be 32. Again, if you want to remove the least significant digit, you can keep on dividing by 10 unless your result is 0. And when it hits 0, the number of times you have divided by 10 will be the count of number of digits. And this is the code snippet for it. You can just have a look at it. And the time complexity of this technique will be the number of digits present in your decimal number. And you know that if your number is n in integer, the number of digits will be log n to the base 10. So if you are applying order, then you will remove the constant base, and hence the time complexity will be order of log n, and the space complexity consumed in this case is order of 1. Let us look at another technique. Another technique can be by using string conversion. So what we can do is just take the integer number and convert it in the form of a string. Now there is an API in C++ to string which we can use, but you can manually convert this to string format as well, or you can just explore your own language APIs, whatever are available. Once this is converted into the string, which takes order of length of the string time, which is again order of log n. After this, you just have to find the size, which will take the string length time complexity, which is again log n, and hence you will get the result. So it is order of log n plus log n, which is order of log n, because 2 is a constant, so it will be dropped off. Therefore, the time complexity is log n, and the space complexity consumed is due to the variable s, which is again of the length of this number, right? So this is log n as well. Now let's see the next technique. The next one is just by using the math operation log base 10. Since this is a base 10 number system, hence we are using log base 10. So for a number 325, again just use log base 10 of the number n and add 1 to it and take the floor of this entire value, and you will get the number of digit. And this is the fastest way, hence I always prefer to use the log function instead of doing all the previous techniques. So this gives me the time complexity of order of 1 and also the space complexity of order of 1. Comment down below if you know any other technique apart from these three, so that other viewers can also come to know about it. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to our channel for more such content. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.